as we dine at the Steakhouse, located in Circus Circus on the Las Vegas Strip. Now I know what you're thinking. Circus Circus? My sentiments exactly. But this place comes highly recommended, so we thought we would give it a try. As we're escorted to our table, we get a glimpse of the chefs preparing the steaks. As you can see, the steakhouse has an old Las Vegas vibe. Very classic and very dark inside. Although this restaurant is located in Circus Circus, there's nothing funny about the menu. This place is expensive. I hope it's worth it. We started with a fresh bread basket with a nice assortment of breads. Next up was our salads. They were very fresh and very tasty. Next up was the main course. We ordered the ribeye. We split one of the plates, which is an extra $20 charge, but worth it. The split plates comes with its own separate sides. We had rice with one. We had mashed potatoes with another. The steaks were seasoned well and very flavorful. I was pleasantly surprised. I see why the steakhouse comes highly recommended. We were celebrating a birthday at the steakhouse, and the servers provided us with a complimentary slice of tiramisu. It was delicious. Again, the steakhouse is not cheap, maybe a little overpriced, but for a special occasion visiting in Las Vegas, it was worth it. These chefs stay busy. It must be hot back there. The Steakhouse is one of the longest operating steakhouses in Las Vegas and has been around for over 30 years. There are a lot of steakhouses to choose from in Las Vegas, and I think you should add the Steakhouse to that list.
Big money. Big money. Come on, I'll take it. Major. There we go. Oh my god, I'm one away from the grand. Woo! Call it. Come on. Go! I would scream. It is good, yeah.
Don't you love that sound? Just came in here for steak dinner, so I guess this will pay for it. Yeah. Yeah. That helps, right?
360.
Yeah, 360. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And join us on our next adventure on Order Up Fun. Thanks for watching.